How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Today I'll be showing you some of the best tips, tricks and hidden features related to this beautiful smartphone that is the Honor 90. This device is running the latest MagicOS 7.1 which is based on Android 13, and I'll try to cover some really useful features that will definitely help you to make most out of this beautiful smartphone. With that being said, stay tuned and watch this video till the very end. Also, let's aim for at least 1000 likes on this one. With that said, drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. Alright guys, first things first, let's talk about the always on display. MagicOS offers so many customization when it comes to always on display, and to enable this feature on your phone, all you need to do is go into settings, select home screen and wallpaper, and then click on this option that says always on display. Just turn it on and you can either choose tap to show or show always. Not only this, you also get so many different clock styles to customize your always on screen, and the best part is you can get more different options by simply downloading them from the theme store. Let me show you a couple of useful home screen customizations. Let's say you want to change the app grid so you can add more applications and reduce the size of these app icons. You just need to swipe with your two fingers like this and select this option that says home screen settings. Here you can simply change the layout to 5x5 or 5x6. This way you can place more apps in a row, and it does saves a lot of your space as well. Apart from this, if you want to disable the Google Discover page that you get when swiping right from the home screen, again go into home screen settings and disable this option that says Google Discover. Next, if you want to customize and change the style of these app icons, you can easily do that by just going into settings, home screen and wallpaper, select icons, and here you can choose different styles for your app icons. You can also select this option called themed icons, and now the color of your app icons will change automatically depending on the wallpaper that you have applied on your home screen. By default, you don't get any app drawer in this phone, but you can still enable that option by going into the settings, home screen and wallpaper, and change the home screen style from standard to drawer. Now when you go back, you will be able to access the app drawer, which is really convenient. Next, let's talk about the enlarged folders which you can easily create on your home screen. MagicOS lets you convert any folder into a big folder like this, and now you can easily open any app with just a single click without the need of opening that folder itself. Now let me show you a couple of useful gestures that you can use on this smartphone. If I just go into settings, select accessibility and then click on this option that says shortcuts and gestures. Here you can activate some really useful gestures to make your smartphone experience a lot better. First, I'll suggest you to enable this gesture called knuckle screenshots. Now you just need to knock twice on the screen with a knuckle to take a screenshot. Some more useful gestures that you can activate is double tap to wake, and there is this option called flip to mute ringtone. So whenever you get a call on your phone, you just need to flip your phone to put your phone in mute. Moving on, let's talk about widgets. If I swipe with my two fingers, I get this cards option, and here I can easily access all my favorite widgets. One widget that I'll suggest you to apply is this yo-yo suggestions. What it does is, it recommends apps based on your usage, so this folder will change automatically depending on the apps that you use frequently on your phone. Now let me show you the simplest way to open apps in floating window. You just need to open the recent menu and tap on this floating window icon. Now that app will open in a floating window like this. You can resize or place it anywhere you want, and if you just move it towards the edge, it will convert in a floating bubble like this. Not only that, if you want an edge panel that will have all your favorite applications for easier access, you can simply swipe and hold from the edges to get this very useful multi-window panel. To activate or disable this feature, just go into settings, accessibility, and select this option called multi-window dock. From here you can decide whether you want to have this feature or not. Now let me show you how the quick panel works on this phone. If you swipe from the right side, you get the control center with all the useful toggles, and by swiping from the left, you can see all your notifications. Guys, I like the dark mode on this device. I think it looks great, and you get this deep black instead of grey color that you get in most other Android phones. Next, if you go into settings, select display, here you get this option called screen resolution. If it is set to standard, just change it to high resolution so you can get the best experience on your smartphone. Similarly, if you want to get high refresh rate, then select this option called screen refresh rate and change it from dynamic to high. It consumes a bit more battery, but trust me, you'll get much smoother experience. Another display setting that you need to change is under the eye comfort option. Here you get this setting called night display, and once you turn it on, It automatically adjusts the screen color temperature based on your body rhythm to keep you prepared for a better sleep. Next in the settings, if you go inside apps, you get this option called App Tween. This lets you to install an app with 2 different accounts at the same time. So if you want 2 WhatsApp or 2 Instagram accounts on your phone, then you can definitely make use of this useful feature. Not only this, if you go inside security, you get this very useful app lock feature that lets you easily lock all your apps with your fingerprint. Next, let me show you some interesting camera features. If you want to take portrait pictures on this phone, then I'll suggest you to use this 2x mode instead of 1x for better portrait with nice blur effect that looks really good. Not only this, you can also shoot videos in portrait mode. You just need to tap on this icon that is on the left and it starts recording videos with some nice blur in the background. Apart from this, if you want to change the resolution of your videos, just go into settings, select resolution, and you can go all the way up to 4K 30 FPS on this phone. Now if you want to access different modes, just click on this more option, and here you can select different modes like Pro Video mode, HDR video, Macro mode, High Resolution mode, and much more. So that's pretty much it for this video. These are some really useful tips, tricks, and hidden features for your brand new Honor 90. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I am Mr. Android, and I will see you guys in the next one.